I'll show you a little bit more today about what we've been doing. Literally partially doing took some profit and back and launching more bits and bobs for the close. Design for the close. Trade done was out, and then I was just grinding, just cracking on. Predicted right. However, just entering into the trade and just see what happens to me. Yo, my people. So I haven't been vlogging this week, unfortunately. Just solely because I've been way too damn fucking busy. Busy working on other exciting things that I'm going to bring to the vlog itself and to you people out there. So once that's done, I'll be able to say more about it. But until that's done, I can't really mention it. So yeah, I haven't been trading yesterday and I haven't been trading today because I've just been too damn busy. So we'll get back on track tomorrow. I'll take you guys in there with me. So we'll be vlogging from tomorrow, back trading, back to the gym and back into the routine, back on the work, back on the ground. So I'll take you through with me. Later on in the week, I'm going camping with my best mate Finn, so I'll take you on Friday with me, back Saturday, and that'll probably be the end of the vlog. So it's not so much a trading vlog this week, it's more just like a week in the life of myself. We will catch 2 days of trading though, hopefully, and hopefully catch some decent positions. But saying that, it's probably been a blessing in disguise because we've had a lot of news about the US and Iran at the moment, so the markets are just flying all over, trying to find some sort of prices to stabilise at. So probably a good job we haven't been trading, although I have checked the charts and we have seen some good price movements that we could have potentially caught. So yeah, that sort of rounds up the week so far. Again, sorry that I haven't been vlogging, but it is what it is, isn't it? It's only my second week back vlogging. It's hard to remember to even pick up the fucking camera for a start. But yeah, we'll get back into it. For now, I'm literally just trying to make myself look a little bit more prim and proper. Gonna do the eyebrows, have a nice clean shave, get a shower and get ready. So with that being said, if I don't see you, I'll catch you tomorrow for a full day of vlogging, full day of trading, and we're back on the fucking grind, people. So yeah, take it easy, stay sharp as always, and I'll catch you in the next one. Yo, good morning, good morning. So today's Wednesday. Again, apologies I ain't vlogged most of the week, I've just been too damn busy. Running on about 2 hours sleep as well last night. Hardly slept. Didn't end up going to bed till about 4:30, 5 o'clock this morning. Do you know, mate, it's bad, innit? So yeah, running on a couple of hours sleep. Brain just wouldn't shut off last night, so it is what it is. Got my white monster. Start on my morning walk, get my steps in, get home, and crack back on. I'll show you a little bit more today about what we've been doing. Got a few exciting things coming, so yeah. Cut to me back at home, showing you a couple of new things. See you soon. So there we have it, people. As predicted, I thought grab high liquidity, take out these low volume nodes, which obviously price is done. So now I'm just going to look for a change in state, a change in direction, and go for these short sells. So yeah, let's see what happens. But yeah, we was absolutely bang on about the open. But again, entering a trade and profiting from it is something completely different than just saying where the market's actually going to go. But yeah, I'll see you in the next part. Peace out. So there we have it. We've got a short on NASDAQ. Got stops at break even. Only partially entered into this trade because what I'm sort of trying to do at the moment is get in with some risk rather than no risk, and then slowly start to scale into the position if I can. So then if it does pay off, then happy days, I've earned some sort of profit. But yeah, seeing a nice reaction to the lows, just seeing what happens here. Looking to take out them high volume nodes just there. If we don't, then I'm just going to close all positions anyway. See if we get this last drop here. If we don't, then we'll close. See, moving averages have crossed over as well, confirming trend change, so pretty confident in this trade now. So yeah, just see what happens here. And we're out. So yeah, nice little trade. A 1.8 risk to reward. Didn't get tagged into this sell limit here, but I entered partially here, so a third of the trade was entered. So yeah, nice day, and we'll end it there. Peace out. Yo guys, welcome back to another trade review. We are on NASDAQ NYSE session, so let's get straight into it. So we've had the daily volume profile form. During London session, we've got a point of control right here with high volume nodes. Also above, we've had low volume nodes. Before this pre-session here, we did have low volume nodes in this area, obviously highlighted by the red box there. So we've had New York session range form highs and lows. So we've had low, high, low, high, low, a bit of accumulation. We've had a break of them highs, collecting liquidity above, as you can see here. We've then had a break of this low, creating a point of interest above. Once we've created that point of interest, I've set a sell limit right here. When moving averages have crossed over, I've decided to get into the trade but with lower risk, meaning I've got in the trade with a third of my normal risk that I would take. So I've got in with a little bit of skin in the game, targeting these New York session lows here and this high volume node right here as well. As you can see, we've got high volume nodes right here. So yeah, beautiful trade. We managed to get out around this marker. Got out for around I think it was a 1.5 risk to reward. Price did obviously come back up, missed our sell limit before coming back down. You can't always win them all, but like I say, we've got in with a little bit of risk and it still paid off, so happy days. I'll catch you in the next one. So hopefully now you've just seen the trade review from today on NASDAQ. Beautiful position. Unfortunately didn't get tagged in on the original order that I set, but did enter the trade partially, which was beautiful. Took some profit. Nice. So we'll move on now. End of the trading day there. Going to work on a few more bits now. So what I would like to say is the thing that I've been very, very excited about is the fact that I'm launching my own clothing brand. Yeah, that's right, my own clothing brand. So I've been working very hard on it, coming up with multiple designs to obviously publish. So look out for that in the next few weeks. I won't say too much more about it because it's still a work in progress, but that is what we're working on. Very excited about it. So yeah, dreams do sort of come true if you put your mind to it. I'll see you in the next part of the video. Peace out. So good morning. Well, I just woken up really, well, about half an hour ago. So not been up long. Just gonna get ready, take the dog out for a walk, and then crack on with the day. Yo my people, so we are cracking on with the vlog today, cracking on with a few bits of work. If you're wondering why I've got my t-shirt off again, it is fucking boiling in this bedroom. So yeah, literally just cracking on. Being out this morning, took the dog for a walk, done the usual shenanigans. So yeah, just cracking on with the clothing brand, cracking on with the website, designing a few more bits and bobs for the clothes, a few more designs for the clothes, and then yeah, gonna start putting all that together. Got trading session at 2:30 as always, so gonna prep for that as well. Haven't really looked at the charts since yesterday afternoon. I basically got into the trade session, got my trade done, as you can see through yesterday's vlog. Got the trade done, was out, and then I was just straight working again. Not messing about yesterday. So yeah, nice to be back into a routine of it all. There's no better feeling really. So yeah, really cracking on. Not much else really to share today. It is going to be a little bit boring these next few vlogs, I suppose, because it's just me grinding, just cracking on. But I suppose that's what I want to share with you all. So that's the whole reason I'm doing this vlog, is to share everything with you. So that's what I'm going to do. It might be a bit more of a shorter vlog this week, because really I've only vlogged for like 2-3 days. But it is what it is, isn't it? You'll hopefully catch a full week next week. So that's the plan. Let's crack on, and I'll see you in the next part. Yo guys, so we're now entering the New York session. So as you can see, we're all set up ready to go. Have a look at what the charts are saying. So yeah, I think by the charts, I'm looking for a grab of high prices again. A similar setup to yesterday, a grab of high prices into a point of interest. And then I'll be looking for either a break and a continuation, or signs of a reversal. Sorry, couldn't even fucking say that then. A reversal, and then like a change of structure of market sentiment, and then to go short. But however, we have got high volume nodes on point of control resting at the bottoms of the New York session pre-range. So we may even see London lows being taken out and users liquidity, high volume node being taken out and users liquidity, and then a grab of high prices. But we'll see what happens. We're here to react to the situation, see what the market throws at us, and then our job as a trader is then to obviously trade with the market. So yeah, let's go. We've got 5 more minutes till the open. And then yeah, we'll go through a trade review as always. So let's see what happens. We're going 1 for 1 this week so far, so happy days. Even though it was like a third of risk, I think I'm going to play the same today, where I use like a third of my risk for initial entry and then try and scale into my position. That seems to be working better for me recently. So yeah, cut to me now doing the trade review. Yo guys, we're back today with another trade review. However, this is a losing trade. I still wanted to share the breakdown with you just to show you that trading isn't all about wins. We do take losses, in fact. So without further ado, we'll jump straight into it. So before market open, we've had the daily volume profile form. We've had point of control in the middle, right in line with these high volume nodes as well. That's an important fact to note. We've had low volume nodes at the bottom, high volume nodes at the top. So basically a support and resistance. So zooming in, we've had London session lows form here, in more or less in line with the New York session pre-range low. So on the pre-range, we've had a break of these lows happen here, forming this point of interest above. A break of them lows, high form, a low, high, low, bit of a accumulation. We had a breakout on that, and then on the open, we've had lower prices being grabbed, grabbing this liquidity below the pre-range session. So we've dipped into these low volume nodes area. The reason I've took both of these trades, in fact, is because when it was live markets, I thought that we had this dump into lower prices, low volume nodes. I thought we had a break of these last highs, so I entered with a third of my normal trade balance, and then more or less 2 minutes later we've hit stop loss. Again, we broke highs, I entered trade, and again we've just hit stop loss on the lows again. I've got a feeling that it's going to take a couple of attempts to even get a nice trade out of this, so I'm going to call it a day there. You can't win them all, but that's why we have risk management and trade management in place to make sure that your risk multiple is always in a plus. So it is what it is. We'll move on to the next one. I'll see you soon. So there we go, people. I've took basically one risk loss. I had 3 entries on this, so I faired each entry of my original trade balance. But yeah, we took a loss. Direction was spot on, setup was spot on, everything I predicted right. However, just entering into the trade and maybe stop loss management was a bit out of place today. But again, traders make mistakes. We all make mistakes. We're human at the end of the day. This shit happens. That's why we have risk management in plan and in place. So yeah, that's the setup that I actually took. Hopefully you've either seen the trade review or you're gonna see the trade review next. So yeah, just a bit of a poor day, but it is what it is. I may even leave it there this week. See what happens tomorrow, but I'm going camping tomorrow afternoon, so it is what it is. Maybe back again fresh next week. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next part.
Yeah, well, it calms down usually. It's because there's water on it, and then the water evaporates. Obviously, you know, water and oil, don't you?
Yeah. Should we maybe brought some tissues and to roll it? To dab on it or something?